بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ السلام علیکم اسٹوڈنٹس، امید کرتا ہوں کہ آپ خیریت سے ہوں گے۔ اسٹوڈنٹس، آج ہم انگلش کلاس 9 کے ملٹیپل چوائس کویسچن پڑھیں گے۔ چیپٹر نمبر 1، دی لاسٹ سرمن آف ہولی پروفٹ صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم، یعنی رسول اللہ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم کا آخری خطبہ۔ لیکچر کا پارٹ نمبر 1 پڑھیں گے۔ اب ہم آگے بڑھتے ہیں۔ ملٹیپل چوائس کویسچن، ریڈ دی ٹیکسٹ اینڈ ٹک اور سرکل دی کریکٹ آنسر۔ نمبر 1، the text is about option A, the battles of Islam, option B, the family of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, option C and D, the migration and teaching of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, option D, the last pilgrim. The correct answer of option number D, the last pilgrim. Number 2, which of the following message is mentioned in the last sermon as given in the text? Option A, the people should not hurt other. Option B, both men and women have rights over each other. Option C, Muslims are a part of one brotherhood. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer of option D. Number 3, how did the Quraysh treat the Holy Prophet? They. Option A, favored him. Option B, opposed him. Option C, loved him. Option D, criticized him. The correct answer of option B, opposite him. Number 4, when did the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated to Medina? Option A, 620 AD. Option B, 621 AD. Option C, 622 AD. Option D, 623 AD. The correct answer of option C, 622 AD. Number 5, when did the Holy Prophet settle in Medina? Which of the following groups of people live there? Option A, Muslims and Jews. Option B, Muslim pagans and Jews. Option C, Muslim pagans, hypocrites and Jews. Option D, Muslims, hypocrites and Jews. The correct answer of option B, Muslim pagans and Jews. And next, number 6, where did the Holy Prophet deliver his last sermon? Option A, Quba Mosque. Option B, Urna Valley. Option C, Jabir Rahmat. Option D, Hudaybiyah. The correct answer of option C, Jabir Rahmat. And next, when did the Holy Prophet perform his last Hajj? Option A, 6th year of Hijrah. Option B, 8th year of Hijrah. Option C, 10th year of Hijrah. Option D, 12th year of Hijrah. The correct answer of option when was the Holy Prophet was born? Option A, 560 AD. option B 561 AD, option C 570 AD, option D 571 AD. The correct answer of option number D 571. Next, 9. What did the Holy Prophet ask the Quraysh? Option A not to worship their false gods. Option B not to perform Hajj. Option C not to kill animals. Option D not to cheat. The correct answer of option A not to worship their false gods. And next, number 10. What was the old name of Medina? Option A Madinatul Nabi, option B Yaman, option C Yazrib, option D Hudaybiyah. The correct answer of option C Yazrib. Next, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Shukriya.